Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll be learning how we can install GitHub CLI. So here you can see I'm on the repo page of GitHub CLI. That's github.com/CLI/CLI. And if you scroll down a bit, here in the README file, you can see that the installation option is provided. So you can choose based on the operating system. Like over here for Mac OS, you have Homebrew. And using this command, you will be able to install GitHub CLI. Then for Mac ports, this is the command, and for Conda, this is the command. Similarly, you also have the option for SPAC, whereby Flux. If you go for Linux and BSD distribution, it's available via the Debian and RPM repositories. And then for Windows, it's available via winget. So this is the command for winget, Spook, Chocolatey, Conda, whereby, as well as MSI installer. So here you can see they have the release page for the MSI installer, and here you have the latest releases. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the operating system. Like over here, you have the Windows 386 installer, then you have Windows AMD 64 installer, ARM 64, and 386 over here as well. So you can choose the installer of your choice, and then the same will install a CLI. So here, let's go ahead and install the Windows 386 installer. I'll be clicking on this one, and this is going to bring up the GitHub installer. Let's save this, and once that's saved, let's go ahead and execute this. So here you can see that the GitHub CLI setup wizard has started. Let's click on next, and then it will choose the place where it's installing the CLI, and then I can just go ahead and click on install to initiate the installation process. And that's how easy it is to do the installation of GitHub CLI. Once done, you will be able to make use of it.